Welcome to the Coca-Cola production plant, where the world-famous Coca-Cola cans we all love are made. But did you know that the Coca-Cola story is much more than just a refreshing drink? Let's dive into the full process, from raw ingredients to the finished can, and uncover some intriguing secrets along the way. Let's start with a little history. Coca-Cola was invented in 1886 by Dr. John S. Pemberton, a pharmacist from Atlanta, Georgia. Originally created as a medicinal tonic, the drink has evolved over the years into a global phenomenon. But the real magic behind Coca-Cola lies in the blend of ingredients, a formula so secret that it's been kept under wraps for over 130 years. There are only a handful of people in the world who know the complete recipe. Now, let's see how the magic happens behind the scenes. The first step in this iconic process is receiving the key ingredients. Coca-Cola uses purified water, sugar, syrup, and distinctive flavors, but the exact combination of these ingredients is part of the closely guarded secret. Before anything enters the production line, every ingredient undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it's up to the highest standards of quality. Water, the main ingredient, is sourced carefully to meet strict purity standards. It's filtered through advanced systems to ensure there are no impurities. In fact, the water quality is so important that Coca-Cola has its own water purification facilities at several plants around the world. Once purified, the water is ready for mixing with the other ingredients. Next, we come to the syrup. This is where the magic really happens. Sugar, caramel, and other secret ingredients are mixed in precise quantities, creating the one-of-a-kind flavor of Coca-Cola. But here's something you might not know: Coca-Cola's signature syrup recipe has remained almost unchanged for over a century. Only a handful of employees have access to the formula, and it's stored in a vault for added security. Imagine the mystery surrounding that. Once the syrup is blended, it's carbonated to give it that signature fizz. This is the key to the refreshment you know and love. Carbon dioxide is added to the mixture, creating the effervescence that gives Coca-Cola its iconic bubbles. This step is crucial as it's not just about taste, but about creating that satisfying, crisp sensation when you take a sip. As the carbonated mixture is ready, it moves to the canning stage. Here, the Coca-Cola is poured into aluminum cans through an automated system where each can is thoroughly checked for quality. The cans are then sealed and labeled, proudly displaying the Coca-Cola brand that is recognized across the globe. Now, let's talk numbers. Did you know that Coca-Cola is sold in over 200 countries? It's consumed by over 1.9 billion people every day. In fact, Coca-Cola is one of the most recognized brands in the world. Every year, millions of tons of the beverage are produced. But even with such massive production, each can still goes through a meticulous process to ensure it meets the same high standards. Finally, after passing several quality checks, the cans are packed into boxes and prepared for shipment. These boxes are sent to stores, supermarkets, and vending machines all over the world, ensuring that no matter where you are, you can enjoy a refreshing Coca-Cola. But here's a fun fact to wrap things up. Did you know that the Coca-Cola logo itself has been the same for over a century? It was created by Frank M. Robinson in 1886, and it's still used today. The distinct cursive script is one of the most iconic logos in the world, and it's instantly recognizable to millions. So there you have it. From its secret recipe to its global dominance, Coca-Cola has come a long way since Dr. Pemberton's first creation. Every can you enjoy today is the result of decades of history, innovation, and dedication to quality. Coca-Cola, it's more than just a drink. It's a piece of history in every sip. Coca-Cola, open the cap, taste the history, and enjoy the refreshment.